DADDYGVILLE'S world.
Where's the truck?
It's like a little campsite, you know. The people's been burning stuff. Sit down on here on the bench. You know, you got whoever up that way. You might what?
I'm not checking out.
Oh, you big baby.
I'm not scared of the dark.
She's scared what's in the dark.
And where we're at, where we're at, you never know.
Body coyote. No.
She's scared of the dark, no matter what. The kids are scared of the dark.
I'm not.
No.
When we lived over in Kentucky, we lived way out in the sticks. And we lived out there, and we had as far as you could see, there was nothing but field all the way around us. You know, well then, her brother, I think, was what, 7 or 8 years? Well, when we lived out there?
I was pregnant with twins.
Yeah. Oh, okay, yeah. She was actually pregnant with the twins. So yeah, it was 2000, about 2009.
He was 8.
He was 8. Well, then see, you're confusing me, woman.
He was 8. I get it now.
Gosh. I'm pretty sure I said he was like 7 or 8. Anyways, story ruiner. We lived way out in the middle of the sticks, surrounded by nothing but fields. Well, probably 300, maybe 400 yards behind our house was an old barn. And he'd come over there, in which the barn wasn't ours. You know, we just rented the house and all that. And her brother was like 7 or 8, like I said.
He was 8.
Whatever. And I had to work the next day and kept me up and whined and whined and whined. So I was just like, come in our bedroom, laid in our bed. I'm like, dude, Talia and Henry was like 3 and 4, if that, and they slept in their own bedrooms.
We technically it was 2 and 3.
2 and 3. Oh my goodness. Anyways, he was driving me nuts and was like, I need a light on, which, you know, I don't like keeping lights on. So we had a big, you know, one of them old 55-inch projector TVs in our living room. Well, I had that on. I had him some cartoons playing and all that. And every 5 seconds, I'd start to fall asleep or whatever, man. And then boom, 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 he'd beat on our door. I walk in. I'm scared. I'm tired. Blah, blah, blah. So I was so fed up with it. I literally went outside into our garage. It was like a barn itself too. It had the big sliding barn like doors on it. And I had my 67 F100 in there that I was restoring at the time. But these two, Wanda was pregnant with, so there went that project because I had to get the stuff for these two being born. And anyways, it was a trailer. What it was a single wide trailer, and they just built onto it and built onto it and built onto it. Well, there was still a little bit of metal, the panels on the back. I went out to the garage, grabbed a weed eater, started it up, and literally ran it across the back of that part of the trailer. And Wanda said, oh my goodness, Jason Voorhees is here. He's going to kill everybody, this and that. Boom. He ran in there, jumped on the couch, covered up, and went to sleep. And 2 hours later, I had to get up and go to work. Anyways, let's get back to the trail, guys.
you.
I want to try to walk up that tree.
Let's do it.
And how about you break your neck? See this tree? Going up, that's fell. What'd you just say, Wanda?
I want to walk up it.
She wants to try to walk up it.
No.
That's a good way to break your neck.
Yeah.
Ain't that right, Henry?
Yep.
See? He's 11 and knows better than that, huh? And look, this numbnuts, just like her mom.
Move, Talia. Yeah, I was about to say, just walk up like that.
Boys, get down.
Down, no this.
Mom, you're gonna break your neck.
Move.
Look, this tree. The only thing holding it up where it fell over is them two trees.
There's flip flops on.
Numbnuts has flip-flops on and is trying to walk up it. Come on. Miss, I'm going to walk up that
Let's
tree.
go home and get my tennis shoes. Give me your tennis shoes.
I'm not giving you my
Give me
shoes.
your shoes.
No, too bad. You couldn't even walk in my shoes.
Yeah, I could.
Not these ones. Take your shoes off. Take your flip-flops off.
No, I'll stab my toes.
Come on. Take your flip-flops off.
I'll stab my
Come on, walk up there because I want to see you fall off that side. Anyways, guys, what I was going to do is if you guys go and watch our wrong turn video where Wanda is running, like she's running and trying to catch up, because me and the boys was standing down there where they're standing now, and Wanda's running this trail trying to catch up with us because we left her behind.
How's that funny?
Because it is funny.
Call me fat?
You said that, I didn't.
You guys heard it. He was calling me fat.
You said it, I didn't.
It's funny when I run means he's calling me fat. Go. Dalton's afraid.
No.
Right here.
Go. Marie.
We see got down here. I don't want to give that whole video away, but I want you guys to watch it.
I will.
Funny. If you look, dun dun dun. Well, Wanda's big head's in the way. There's a house right there.
Where?
You know, and it's right
There's people down there.
there.
I swear I seen it. I swear I
Okay,
seen it.
probably other people walking the trail. Or it's the boogeyman.
No, they were all the way down there in the creek.
Yeah.
You wanted to go back.
This, right back there where we was just at, probably about 70 feet that way, maybe, is as far as we've ever been on this exact trail. Which there's other trails here, which we've walked the entire things. But this is the farthest we've ever walked this one because of our wrong turn video. Talia was flipping out, which then later we had to tell her, you know, it's just like the boogeyman. It's something that you're afraid of. And sitting back here mocking me and doing all her stuff.
He's got a wrong turn killers.
It's the trail. Are you sure you want to walk that way?
No. Yeah.
What's that say?
Wrong turn.
Wrong turn killers?
Come.
It says trail.
Let's walk up here and see what we can find.
This way.
We have every... They want to walk that way. Boys, the trail ends that way. You're on the road. Hey, wait a minute. Where's that gate at? I want to find that gate.
It's down there.
Is it?
I think I'm gonna go look real quick.
That gate.
Yeah, the gate when you do, like, literally the road on the way here. I think it's part 2 or part 3.
No, we made it to that thing.
Have we?
Yeah. It's back up that way. We made it to that because remember? That's whenever, I'm trying to think how, but we did. Because you actually parked there before.
Turn person, Dawson. Don't go that way.
Anyway, literally the road here winds, you know, like in the wrong turn movie, how it has the, I think it's the one with the prisons, and they found the money and all that. Well, that long windy road that goes up and around, whatever, that's exactly how this road is coming here. If you take the back road. If you take the main road, you know, it's just up and around. But you take the back road like we do, because the back road's closer to our house because we live farther out. You know, that's what it does. It's really pretty cool. Well, we're all taking a break because of Wanda. What'd you say you was?
I'm too skinny to go up stuff like that. Don't you look at me like that.
Take some boogers out.
You like this trail, boys?
No.
No.
We're behind you.
Yeah.
Bye! Run! Run!
I've never seen them get down from somewhere that high.
Was that funny, boys? Alright, we just went up the stairs over here, and then Talia spotted this one. This is actually pretty cool though. It's like, I don't know, it's supposed to make a face, but that's like a snake, like rattlesnakes. Like here's the, you know, the rattler type thing on it, the body. Here's one head, here's the other.
And then there's a head, and then a head, and then.
I don't know if this is supposed to be like some kind of tree or whatever it is.
Maybe a mermaid tail.
Whatever it is, it makes a smiley face, which is actually pretty neat. It says made in 2005, but we've never actually been this far on this trail. We've always walked all the other trails, but that's as far as we've come up to this one. And then we get up here, so we're looking at this rock, and then Wanda looks at it and goes, we come up here, boom, trail ends. And then the trail goes that way,
Which is called the
and the trail goes that way.
Let's go this way.
And Wanda's like, what way do we go?
The toilet tree trail, that way and that way. That way is spice bush.
Let's go
Spice
this one.
bush trail.
Let's go to this one.
So, which way you guys want to take?
This way.
You guys want to take it back into the woods or try to go? I don't know. I don't want to
Find
leave.
a way out of here.
Yeah. So I'm lost.
I don't want to go yet. I don't want to go that way and end up back at the museum, or go that way and end up at the museum. So if we end up in the museum, we're turning around and coming back down in the woods.
No.
What, are you scared?
No. It's
I don't want to be outside in the dark time.
Yeah, no, me either.
Oh, here we go again with the dark time.
Didn't want to.
Yeah, bright. Making him get lost.
We're not lost. We just don't know where we're going. Oh, wait a minute. That is the definition of lost. The gate I was telling you guys about earlier, with the actual road and everything, we finally ran into it. We found another trail that comes up to it, which I think we've been on this trail because we found this gate before. But right here is the gate where everybody's standing at. Get over here. And then right on this other side, look at this. Watch. Look, right here. The road goes up, turns, and goes up that way. I'm gonna see if you guys can. I'll lift my camera higher. Look. Comes up, goes around, and goes back up the hill. But this road right here behind us, behind this gate, is what freaked out my kids on the on our video. Wrong turn, backwoods, as because of that road. And then we was walking in the woods, and then we seen one of the houses that's down here on this main road, and they just totally flipped out. You know, the link's down in the description if you guys want to watch that video. And you know, it's just hilarious to me. And there's like clips from the actual movie. There's like clips from the actual movie, and there's like some Scooby-Doo clips in here because of Henry doing some funny stuff, and I put Scooby-Doo in there doing like a laugh type thing. It's hilarious. You guys gotta check it out. I know I've talked about it a lot on this video, but you guys just gotta click over on that video. Once you watch this video, it's just funny. The gate is like right behind this tree here, and there's the road without the gate. See, it comes up here, comes up and around, and goes up, and does like another turn that comes around. It's pretty neat. Alright, here's another sculpture in the rock. It's like a full moon with like half moon men in it.
Come on.
Eyes, nose, lips, chin. You know, it's all actually pretty cool.
Is this the rock turn or that the rock turn? One of them's the wrong turn. I think you chose the wrong turn. He's going back down.
Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss a video.
You're getting all hung up on imaginary problems. You gotta focus on what's real, man.